You swoop over to the back wall and lean in, focusing your enhanced hearing on the muted vibrations emanating from behind it. They're soft but steady, creating an almost pulsing presence. As you concentrate, the subtle clicks you detected earlier become more defined, a series of uneven yet deliberate sounds. You shift slightly, tuning your hearing to isolate the clicks, tracing their origin along the surface of the wall. One by one, the points of resonance begin to reveal themselves. The clicks form a distinct sequence. You've uncovered a pattern.